And these are the page numbers for regular classes. Don't worry about page numbers. We'll get caught up one day. Okay, so let's look at these tough problems. So we are multiplying x times everything inside. So x times 4 is 4x. X times a negative 5x is a negative 5x squared. Plus, okay, and then you're going to multiply these. So if you want to do this 2x, I'm going to multiply and put it right here. So 9x times 2x is 18x squared. 2x times 2x squared is a 4x cubed. And a 2x times a negative 6 is a negative 12x. So I just multiplied this times each one of these and I wrote them here. Okay, so let's start out with our biggest exponent because that's going to be the one that goes first, or we can combine any way we want. I'm trying to do 2 steps at one time, and the way I'm doing that is by combining them and also putting them in order at the same time. So I look for my biggest exponent, and this is my biggest exponent. So I'm going to put that first. Okay, so I got that one. The next is squared. So negative 5 and a positive 18. So that is a positive 13x squared. And then I have 4x and a negative 12x. See, I'm doing like different things to kind of indicate which ones are the same. So this one doesn't have a match. These two are matches and these two are matches. So I put kind of a rounded arc underneath them. I circle those. I just put a little bracket thing underneath that. I'm just trying to keep them organized. And it makes a little bit more sense in my head whenever I do that. Okay, so we have 4 and a negative 12, which would be a negative 8x. Okay, so that is the simplified version. All right, let's go to this next one. 2 times everything inside. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12x squared. 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. And then minus, I'm going to have to do this separately. So I'm going to make a box over here. And I have 2x minus 6 and 4x plus 10. And I'm going to multiply these. So 4x, 2x make 8x squared. 4x and negative 6, negative 24x. 2x times 10 is 20x. And 10 times negative 6 is negative 60. And then I can combine this. So I'm going to put this in parentheses still. See how that's minus? I can't just put it out there because everything is actually going to change signs. So this is going to be 8x squared. Negative 24 and a positive 20 would be a negative 4x minus 60. All right, so now I need to distribute this negative 1 all the way through. So I still have things on the left side, negative 12x squared plus 6x minus 14. And now I'm going to change the sign of everything in there because I'm multiplying by a negative. So negative 8x squared. Negative times negative makes that positive 4x. Negative, negative, make that positive 60. Okay, so now that I have all the parentheses gone, I'm going to combine like terms. So I need to start with my highest exponent. It's a 2, 1, 9, 2, 1, 9. So I need to do the 2's. So I have negative 12 and negative 8, which make negative 20x squared. Then I have positive 6x and a positive 4x. That's 10x. And then negative 14 and a positive 60. That'd be a positive 46. And that's as best I can do. That's as simplified as it gets. Okay, let's go to the next one. Looks like we have 2 sets that need to be multiplied. So I need to make 2 boxes before I even go anywhere else. So 8x squared, 9x, minus 9x, and then 7x minus 7. So 8 times 7 is 56. X squared and x cubed. 7 times a negative 9 is negative 63x squared. Negative 7 and positive 8 is negative 56x squared. And then negative 7 and negative 9 make 63x positive. Okay, so this, the left side becomes 56x cubed. And then I need to add these together. Negative 63 and negative 56. Negative 63 plus negative 56. Negative 119x squared plus 63x. Okay, and then I have to do these. So I'm going to come down here, do another box. 3x plus 2, 5x minus 4. 3x and 5x is 15x squared. 5x times 2 is 10x. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Okay, so then this is plus. Because it's a plus, I can go ahead and write them out. If it was a minus, I'd have to change some stuff up. 15x squared minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so let's combine like terms where we can. Is there anything with the x cubed? Nope. So 56x cubed. And then negative 119 and positive 15. Negative 104x squared. And then 63 minus 2 is positive 61x, and then minus 8. And that is all we can do to simplify those. All right, so hopefully you have those down, and we'll move on to the next lesson for today.